good one. I choose Masters for my bathroom because I was looking for a company to do my bathroom for the last 3 years and I couldn't get nobody. I look here and I look there, and Masters was the way to go. And they promised me for 4 to 6 weeks, and they delivered on the 6 weeks, and they were out of here in like 5 days the most, and they give me exactly what I was looking for. I am so proud of them. They did an excellent job. They were on point. They let me know exactly what they're doing from day one. And I tell everybody about Masters. My bathroom is superb. I don't even want to use it. It's the best bathroom in the whole PA, and I'm so proud of my bathroom. So if you want a bathroom done, Masters is the way to go. Super company. Masters all the way.